In this video, we will take a look how to set up the upload field on a featured product. We can see we are here on the home page and we have here the product where usually the button will appear, but yeah, I can show it to you here one time. Here the button appears, but on the home page it's not visible. I can now show to you what you have to do to make it work also on the featured product. So first of all, we go back to our Shopify dashboard. We go to Online Store Themes. And then we go to Edit Theme. So now by default the homepage will open up and we can find the section Featured Product. We will expand it, and here below in the very bottom we can find the plus, but we have to be careful that it's not a main section, that it will be really a subsection of this one. So the blue one should just start right away for this section, not for the overall section. Can you see the difference? This would be wrong, this is right. So it's how it is. Plus, apps, upload the app. And then you have to hold this clicked and move it above the buy buttons. You can release it. Let us save it then after that as well. Save. And then this will be the position where it will be displayed at a later point. Now if we go back to this storefront and refresh it one time, we can see that the button successfully appears.